Today we're going to give some Bullitt love to the front of this 2021 Mustang GT. A lot of people questioned why the latest S550s had a gloss upper grille and a matte lower grille. It just kind of gave it a weird look. This Ford Performance Bullitt-style grille kit is a great way to fix that problem and give your car a style upgrade while you're at it. Now these are styled after the Bullitt grills found on the Bullitt Mustang, but it got rid of the chrome trim to give it a blacked out look. It also gets rid of the pony, gives you a much cleaner look, and best of all, they are both gloss black and are going to match, make the front of your Mustang look a lot better. The installation of the Ford Performance Grille will require us to remove the front bumper, so we'll start here with the radiator cover. Now we'll remove these 8 screws. You got 6 larger ones, 2 small ones on the ends. Now we go in the wheel well, and we got to remove 6 push pins. There'll be 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and then 2 down here behind the tire. All the clips out, we're going to pull back the splash shield now. Access the 2 upper bolts. Right up here you've got 2 10mm nuts and a little push pin. This is actually what holds the bumper to the fender. We're going to remove both of these nuts and then we can separate. Give it a little pull, separate, move on to the other side. So now underneath the car, you gotta remove the belly pan. So basically 2 screws back here, 2 screws here, and then 2 clips on the ends. Again, make sure the fender and the bumper are separated. Now we can lift up, remove our bumper cover. Reach down and unplug the lights. All right, so to swap the grills, you want to basically put your bumper up on a table somewhere, put something soft down so you don't damage the paint, and you start removing all the clips. So I'll warn you right now, this is the hardest part of this installation, and it's not that it's even that difficult, it's just time consuming and honestly kind of annoying to do. Basically, all these things are held in by these plastic body clips. So the way these work, the painted tabs are basically part of the bumper. They come through the grill. They have a little tab that holds them in place. So what you kind of have to do, and again, I've had success with knives, screwdrivers, plastic prop or whatever, but you basically got to get in there and you got to turn it to separate it far enough and then lift it up. Now you don't want to start in the middle, start at the ends and work your way down, but that's basically how you get these out. Get them far enough behind the plastic bumper that when you twist it, you can lift off the grill. It's easier to start at the ends and kind of apply pressure. Once you get it started, it will go easier. There we go, got one. Now the ends are a little different. You kind of just have to push. There we go. All right, since we did that, now we can line up and install our new Bullitt-style grill. Here, basically, you just want to get it lined up on all the pins. It can be a little time consuming. Make sure they're all kind of sort of started before you lock any in place. Again, push hard until you hear it lock. All right, both grills installed. You can reinstall the support in the middle here. The bumper's ready to go back on the car. All right, with our 4 performance grills installed, now we can put the bumper back in place, slide it in, don't forget to plug everything in. Little mounting dowels up here. It's usually seated on that first, then click the sides into place. Make sure the bumper is above the studs in the headlight. Okay, and we can reinstall the hardware we took out. Once everything's installed, your installation's finished. It's kind of a small petty thing, but I think just having the 2 grills match looks way better. Plus, I like the design of the Bullitt grill. I like that it's clean. I don't like the lines here, you know, it gets rid of the horse and stuff. It just gives it a nice, clean look. You still have that honeycomb, so it still looks like a factory part. And one of the best parts about this is it is a factory part, so fitment's gonna be OEM. As far as the installation goes, it is time consuming. The bumper has to come off. Give yourself about 2 to 3 hours. Be back on the road in no time.